Hi there, my name's David Park. I work for the Environment Agency and I am a civil engineer. So here we have a newly installed flood wall, and this flood wall is running from Thorny Hills and makes its way ultimately along to Miller Bridge. So it's a significant stretch of flood wall and goes behind the backs of like the scout hut and the funeral directors. In this particular section, it's running from high ground at Thorny Hills and then tying into this new Gooseholme footbridge. That's then giving a new flood defence. What you'll notice as you walk along this stretch that runs from here to Miller Bridge is that it varies in height, and that's due to stuff to do with modelling. So our modelling will show how high the water is going to go up in certain areas, and also we'll look at what is existing, the topographical ground profile. So if there's a natural defence already, then obviously your wall doesn't have to be as big. So if we look here, some of the walls are at just 70 millimetres in height. Behind the scout hut, they go up to over a metre in height. Again, they're naturally stone clad, so they're in keeping with this area of conservation. So running along here is a concrete defence, so it has a concrete core, and that is set upon a foundation, and the reason for that foundation is to stop seepage. So if the water rises up and applies pressure onto the wall, it will try to make its way under the wall. So that's why you've got to have foundations plus the foundations for the actual the wall. Secondly to that, we've had to remove a lot of vegetation here in order to put the wall through. But for every tree that is taken down, 6 are put back up. It's never our preference to take down trees, but in certain instances where the wall line is going to go straight through, that vegetation has to be removed. On top of that, we've just installed the surfacing, so the new asphalt layer, which is what you can see this chap doing at the moment. That's going to create a good drainage profile, so increase highways drainage.